This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking a trustworthy VPN because performance and privacy matter. Once chosen, create the account and buy the plan. Install the app on the device you play Roblox on, and make sure the VPN has a kill switch and no-log policy enabled. Open the app, sign in, and allow necessary permissions, then set the app to launch at startup. This ensures you don't forget protection before launching Roblox, and it reduces connection hiccups from manual activation. Once done with installation, pick a server. Choose a nearby location for minimal latency or a target country if you need region-specific access. Switch to a fast protocol like WireGuard or UDP Open VPN for better throughput and stable packet delivery. Make sure DNS leak protection and IPv6 leak blocking are turned on so Roblox sees the VPN IP only. Finally, run a quick IP/DNS leak test. When the test shows the VPN IP, you should only launch Roblox after the VPN shows a stable connection. Then test joining servers and voice chat to confirm everything works. If you experience high ping, change to a closer or less loaded server or switch protocols to improve latency. If Roblox blocks access, clear the Roblox cache, disable IPv6 on your device, and reconnect the VPN. As a last step, contact VPN support for guidance or a recommended server. This usually resolves rate limiting or block lists quickly and gets you back in the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.